How to buy a house in Australia. Managed funds are financial funds from various investors who have similar investment strategies and goals. The funds have a professional manager entrusted with the duty of investing the funds based on the objectives of the fund. Each financial investor in the managed funds is allocated units that are equal to the amount of funds that they have invested in the funds. Investing in managed funds is a fabulous way to access different types of investments that are not usually available to other investors. There are various types of managed funds in Australia, including asset-specific funds that include property funds, bond funds, share funds, and property funds. Balance funds are types of funds that produce income like dividend income. Growth funds are funds that assign a significant portion of funds to assets of capital growth like shares with a view to maximizing the returns for the investors. Growth funds are thus more volatile compared to balance funds. Managed funds can be either unlisted or listed. Units that are in the listed funds are bought and sold on the share market through a broker. The value of the units listed in such a manner is determined by demand and supply. These types of funds are classified as closed since there is usually a limited number of the units on issue at any point in time. On the other hand, unlisted funds are classified as either open or closed. If the funds are open, the market forces allow new funds to be issued in regard to the demand. Usually a new prospectus known as product disclosure statement is released to the market every half year. On the other hand, unlisted funds are usually valued very weak by the manager of the fund. Managed funds offer investors the convenience of regular fund savings. This gives an investor the convenience of being able to increase the level of investment on regular basis. Investing in the managed funds provides investors with the benefits of research capability and access to international markets. The experience and resources of the professional fund managers helps provide better and lifelong returns. Investing in managed funds allows exposure of small investments to international markets. Research indicates that the share market of Australia embodies about 2% of the whole value of the share market of the world. This gives managed funds in Australia exposure to the other 98% of the untapped markets.